163. That's how many guns have been seized by the police in the first 2 months of 2022, including the shipment in St. James yesterday. The cache of weapons is the largest haul by the Jamaica Constabulary Force in recent years. Jamila Maitland has our report.
On Monday, 7 dismantled firearms, which were hidden in television sets, were found during a routine search at the Seaboard Wharf in Montego Bay, St. James, after officers observed 3 abnormal-shaped TVs. Several rounds of ammunition were also found. According to the police, these are just some of the crafty ways criminals are using to conceal weapons destined to Jamaica. The weapons discovered on Monday came from Miami in the United States.
We subsequently seized 2 rifles, 1 submachine gun, 4 handguns, 8 magazines, and 16 rounds.
2 men who are listed as receivers of the shipment are now in police custody. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson says this brings to 163 the total number of illegal firearms seized by the police since the start of 2022. It represents a more than 100% increase in the number of rifles seized compared to the similar period last year. Lottery scamming, drugs, and extortion are believed to be the main source of funding for the weapons.
These criminals are not using their ill-gotten gains to improve their communities. They are using their wealth to live lavishly, purchase guns, wage war against their rivals, and destroy the lives and livelihoods of ordinary citizens. These are not poor, destitute, unattached youth looking for help. They are increasingly wealthy and violent people.
Meanwhile, gang conflict is the main driver for the country's murder rate, now at -6%, and a marginal decline compared to the same period last year. The police say it represents 3/4 of the total number of murders recorded in Jamaica.
Of the 240 murders committed since the start of the year, 75% are gang-related, 12% arose from interpersonal disputes, 5% were committed in furtherance of other crimes, 1% were mob killings, and we still have 7%, which are still being attributed.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.